how you pick a melon, you guys. You hear this? That's what you want to hear. These all sound good, actually. You don't want it to sound dull. This one's not so good, see? This is the one. Look at this melon. Make sure to go with one with a nice land spot, this yellow spot here. I mean, this is gonna be really sweet. Look at the stem. I've never seen a watermelon stem that, like, good quality. It's on there. It's a good one. Got some limes, squeeze on top. Chilling near the beach. You ready for this? Oh, yeah. That looks epic. Oh my god, yes. Super fresh. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's really epic. Alright, take a bite. So excited about this. Let's try it out. Here we go. Ooh, it's crisp. Oh my god. Yes. It's got to be crisp. So many times when I've been around Southeast Asia, you can't find good watermelons. It's just not too warm or something. This is by far the best one I've had so far. Wow. So, I just got back from a massage. Amazing massage. Like, it was $7. It was a little interesting because I have a local, I have a Vietnamese roommate, and she goes there and she gets it for 60,000 dong an hour, which is like $3. And then I went there and they told me 180,000 because I was a man. That price was only for females. So that was a little weird, but I was like, okay, whatever. 180,000, it's still like, you know, $7. A lot of people at the beach today. People trying to sell their food and stuff. Yeah, so it was the best massage that I've had in Asia so far. I give it a 9.4 out of 10. Wow, it was so good. It was similar to a Balinese massage, but then she also took aspects of like Chinese reflexology, like the rhythmic movements, the pressure points, the friction, the percussion therapy. Like, it was a really great massage. And yeah, my friend from Hanoi, she was like, yeah, foreigners don't know about this place. It was so good. So good. Very professional. The table is comfortable. When I was in Malaysia, they say it's a body massage, but they don't massage your head or your feet. And she did both. Amazing head massage. I've never had one like that before. They were so nice. But my friend told me, my local friend, well, she's from Hanoi, and she's Vietnamese. She told me that you can buy like a package deal, so you get like 5, if you buy like 5 massages at once, you get like a discount. So I might try that next time. So I'll probably go there, you know. She goes there every week. And they also have a yoga studio in the same building. So I really want to check it out. This watermelon, by the way, about 3 kilos. And it cost me 34,000 dong. It's like $1.50, a little more than $1.50. The watermelons here are like 8,000 a kilo, like 30 cents a kilo. They're super abundant. This is actually my first Vietnamese watermelon and my first Vietnamese massage. Man, it was a good massage. Just gonna drench this in lime. These limes are so freaking juicy here. Massive limes. Like bigger than golf balls. So I like to scoop some off. I ordered a citrus juicer on Lazada, which is like an Asian Amazon. Just like a simple, twisty citrus juicer. So I'm gonna get my citrus juicing on because I figure I'd save a lot of money because I go there like every day. Like earlier today, I had another liter and it costs like 30,000 for like to fill up half the cup and then they fill the rest up with ice. Watermelon and lime, you guys. If you haven't had watermelon and lime, I don't know what you're doing. That's just an amazing combo. The sweet and the sour and the crunchy and the tart. Wow. So yeah, feeling really good from the massage. And extended my intermittent fasting window a little longer today. Just didn't feel like eating. I like to do some intestinal massage in the morning, and you got to do it on an empty stomach. So just relaxing, doing a lot of breathing. It's about 12 o'clock now, and this is my first meal. After that, you know, cup of orange juice. Yeah, I love the freaking orange juice here. So yeah, I figure, you know, I can like at least double my yield of orange juice by getting a citrus juicer. Also ordered some spirulina because I'm out of barley grass powder. I went through that 200 gram container already, and spirulina is pretty up there too. That's like one of the highest like nutrient dense blue-green algae foods. So I'm gonna play with that a little bit. Wow. There's still some fruits here that I haven't tried yet. There's one called a milk apple. It's also known as star apple because when you cut it in half, it makes like a star. It's purple on the outside, white on the inside, milky, juicy. The pomelo I had yesterday was epic. All the fruit here has been incredible. I believe there's apples too. I'm gonna try some apples. Really glad I got this watermelon. I was debating, I was like, should I get watermelon, should I get papaya and mangoes? A lot of people at the beach today. And Sunday, I guess that's the day. Got an interview tomorrow, 10:30 in the morning. Stoked on that. So I know I told you guys in my last video. Really excited. I'm gonna be working here soon. Maybe my friend can hook me up with her agent, and then I can get some real hours, like 20 hours a week. And then the more experience you have, the longer you do it, the more money you make. You just gotta get out there, put in the work. Oh my god, lime juice. I might save this other half for later. It's like really filling. So yeah. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. I'm just gonna enjoy my day. I might insert some more clips here at the end, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much. Peace and love. Oh, excuse me. This is what a clean watermelon looks like, by the way. You don't want any red in there. Don't waste your food.